Hey guys, how are you? We're going to do awesome. Remember that I'm at pattern-collections.com, which is where I find my patterns. Mimi has already done awesome once on her YouTube channel, so check her out. I'm going to click on that and make it bigger so I can see it better, so you guys can see it better. It's going to be an organic tangle. We're aiming for this shape right here. And first thing we're going to do is come up and make a little loop. And then from that loop, we're going to do another little loop. And then we're going to use 2 petals. That's the basic shape, that little one right there. And then from that shape, we're going to grow some more petals. Looks like she grew petals this way too. Grow some more petals here, and then grow some more petals here. And you can build them and grow them however you see fit. We're just going to give that a go. It's going to be a quick one probably. Turn on my light. Pretty small pink tile. This is a really small one. I don't know what size it is. It's about 3 by 3. Lately I've been working on those bigger ones, the ones that are closer to 3.5 or 4 by 4. But this size is good. And then I'm going to just come up here and I'm going to do 1 loop like that. And then from this loop, I'm going to do a little thing like this. And at the bottom, I'm going to do 2 leafy-like shapes. And then I'm just going to grow those like so. And like this. Just do some feathering. And then coming down here. Like that. Something like that. In general. Doesn't quite match the original. That's okay. So I'm going to put another one here. Come up going the other way. I'm going to put a leaf going that way, a leaf going this way. And you're going to get a few coming like that and like that and like that, and then something coming like this, and something coming like this. That doesn't look quite the same. I did something not quite the same. That's okay. And I'm going to stick one more. No, I'm going to stick with just 2. I'm going to give myself sort of a leafy base to these things. And then maybe maybe there's another one coming out here. Why not? Why not? It doesn't look the same, but that's okay. I'm good with it. That filled the space, and it needed 3. It actually needs something else. So I'm going to put a little bit of fescue in here, just because I feel like it needs it. Something like that. Looks good. It needs a little thing coming out here. Like so. Doesn't it? Yes, it does. Okay. Awesome. Awesome blossom. It's an awesome blossom. And it was quick and easy. And I'm going to give it just a teeny little shading. This piece of paper happens to be super thin. Look, you can even see through it. It's not even cardstock. It's just regular old colored printer paper, I think. I don't know. It's whatever was in my stash. I'm not overly concerned about it. Do a little shading in here. Give it a little extra up here. A little down in here. So I made it to the dentist the other day. I get to have another crown. Lucky me. But at least I don't have to get my tooth pulled. I was afraid that it was beyond repair and that I was going to have another tooth pulled. So I'm happy with that. To live with it for a week or so. It's a little sensitive, but it doesn't hurt. So I'm good. Nothing that a little ibuprofen won't help. Give myself a little shading. I just blend with a blending stump. Nothing fancy. If you don't know what a blending stump is, just Google blending stump. You'll find it. They're cheap. They're easy to find. They're basic art supply for drawing. And maybe I'll put a little highlight, because you guys know that I love the highlight. Plain old white colored pencil. Nothing fancy. And you'll notice I don't even get super careful with, I just plops them on, you know. I'm not being precious with it. It's not a precious type of drawing. It's just a little bit. Isn't that pretty? Very, very pretty. Quick, easy drawing for today. I don't know whether to stick it. I guess I'll stick it that way so you guys can see it. I'll zoom in a little bit. There we go. Awesome. It's an awesome little flower. You guys have a great day. I will see you on the next video, which we're going to do something that I don't remember. Yeah, that was helpful. Anyway, look up on the next pattern focus for this week. It starts with an H. Hanky. Hanky is what it is. We're going to do hanky. And that one's going to be a grid pattern, so be prepared for a grid pattern for next time. And I will see you later. You guys have a great day. Go out and do something nice for someone today and make the world a better place. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.